In this episode, we hop on a plane and head to Cabo San Lucas for a week at Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach. Nestled on the tip of the Baja California Peninsula, this all-inclusive resort had a wide range of restaurants, entertainment, and recreational activities. Come along as we go full tourist mode at this popular all-inclusive resort and take a day trip to Playa Chileno, a popular beach for snorkeling. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. Now, let's get into the adventure. Mama's signing her life away. If we party in the room, Mama's gotta pay for the damages. Sign your life away.
Remember that they had that big
Cruise over here. All right, we have just arrived down here in Cabo San Lucas. We are at Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach. We are incredibly tired. It has been a long trip. We started San Jose, Costa Rica at 1:30 in the morning, which is when we got our flight. And it's currently 10 a.m. here in Mexico.
Didn't we just start at like 2:15?
Yeah,
We boarded at like 1:45 and then we left at 2:15. Really? Yeah.
Got to our cuarto. Still not quite done yet, but. These are the shops. El comedor. Muchas opciones para comer.
And then you don't forget the 50s diner in the back.
Yeah, the old classic 50 diner in the back.
Nobody goes there.
The Mexican joint.
Except I wanna go to.
Dulces y postres. Bar. We are still running on fumes here, but got some food in our bellies. Now we're gonna go hit up a pool, chill for a bit, but the kids are going in on the cake.
She forgot about my cake.
Probably.
What'd you eat for lunch?
Bean cheese burrito.
Yeah, there's all these options in case you got a bean and cheese burrito.
They have anything.
What'd you get that was so special?
Tacos a la carte.
Yeah.
Nope.
We have tacos all the time.
But it. have tacos in Costa Rica that doesn't exist. And the tacos that are in Costa Rica are horrible. Except for the place in San Jose.
You're gonna get some comments on that one.
I'm kidding, except for the one in San Jose.
Leave your comments in the description. What do you think? Are Costa Rican tacos really terrible? Like, dun, dun, dun.
Because there's no such thing as Costa Rican tacos.
This Cajun gets dos queques?
You're supposed to be
Okay, man.
I'll be the guardian of it.
Guardian. I'll be the guardian of that.
That's just
I know. Go away.
Pizza, rápido. Riquísimo.
What's this for?
Hola, hola, bienvenidos a Playa Chileno. We're out here in Los Cabos, just rounding up, I think, our third day for our all-inclusive. We're starting our fourth day for our all-inclusive package here. So we finally decided to leave the resort and check out some local spots. Playa Chileno is one of the best known spots for some shore snorkeling. Snorkel, bucear en el mar. Let's check it out. See what's crack-a-lackin'. Llegamos a Playa Chileno. Poquito frío. Alright, I'm over here scouting out the water entry. The crew left without me. I was flying the drone and they decided to jump in the water. So, and I am without my patas de rana, my swim fins. So this makes it a little bit harder to move around when you're snorkeling, but the water is chilly, the weather is sweet. Trying to find the crew so I can get out here and eat. The view. Very busy beach over here. Alright, the crew is over there and I'm over here. There's no elegant way to make this entry, so I think I'm just gonna jump in because it looks like they're already heading out. So just gonna ahead and make this jump and see what goes on from there. Choo! That's cool.
So just finishing up our 2-hour excursion down here at the playita. Super beautiful. The water is quite chilly. And again, I'm having some challenges with my GoPro. I don't understand. Both of my GoPros are giving me issues, especially in the water. But that's life. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But we're on to the next. We are gonna be heading back into Cabo San Lucas for our sunset tour, our sunset whale watching tour. And but with every new adventure is a new lesson to be learned. Kingston learned some new lessons today about snorkeling equipment, the do's and don'ts. Do not put sand inside of your snorkel. That is never a good idea. It is a breathing apparatus, and you just breathing apparatus, valves, sand, it just don't mix. So sometimes you gotta learn lessons the hard way. And that's why we take videos, so that we can just capture these moments and remember them for eternity. Hey, well then, hey. Think before you act. And then you don't have to be recorded on video forever in all eternity. That is your punishment. Why all of a sudden I'm having a plastic bottle island? Like, what the hell? I asked one question about living on a boat, and now you're telling me I'm gonna live on a plastic bottle island. What? Mira, chicos, muchísimas gracias. Woo! Cabo San Lucas. Alright, chicos, we are outro. Buen viaje until the next one.
Thanks again for watching this episode of the Free Range Squad. Until our next adventure, pura vida.